Did you know that it takes a whole lot of appliances and long hours to make a cup of yogurt at home? A homemade yogurt you couldn't even attempt to cook without a yogurt maker. Now you can with LG's NeoChef. NeoChef's smart inverter allows to make yogurt with more lactobacillus by automatically controlling power level and continuously heating your yogurt at 300 watts of power for 5 hours, while it takes about 8 hours with a yogurt maker. All you need to make yogurt is LG's NeoChef. With NeoChef, the world's first solo microwave oven to make yogurt, enjoy a variety of dishes with functions of fermenting, warming, frying, melting, and etc. in an uncluttered kitchen.